Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do what fits in this Recto Verso wallet and my thoughts on it, as I was able to use this since I bought it. I will link in the description down below my video of my unboxing in this beautiful wallet, and I've never stopped using this since then. This one has 4 card slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has this zipper that goes all the way down here, and it's gusseted here and not on the other side. And this has like this black lining and this key holder, and this is in leather, so it is a combination of leather and canvas material. And here it has another pocket here which has a beautiful monogram canvas around it, and this one has a black lining as well. I'm not sure if they sew the leather and canvas together, because this has the same material as the leather here and also here. And this is a little pricey for a wallet, but the versatility and the functionality that it has, it is so worth it. I also love the feel of this wallet. It has a slim structure that is not thick, not as firm. It is a little soft, so I like the feel of it on my hand if I'll just carry it as its own, or you can just put your finger here and carry it as this. And let's try to put stuff inside. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because ideally this is what I bring. I have my insurance card and my credit cards and my driver's license. So I put 2 cards here on top, and then my Visa card in here. Then we're gonna put my driver's license and another Visa card, so 2 in here. Now we have a total of 5. 2 here on top, 1 here in the middle, and 2 here. And then my car keys here. Put here. And it fits well. And then we can also put cards here. So let's try to put 4 more cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll put it all in here. Okay. And let's try to put my old car keys here and my house key. So let's open this. This is very bulky, guys, so I don't know if I cannot even put it in here. Okay, so I'll put my car keys, my house keys. Oh, it will not fit. Too bad. Okay. So let's just say I leave this out, and I'll put this bulky car keys here, which is my old car key, and then this house key. And it is so bulky that I won't be able to close it because of the amount of cards that I put. So let's just leave my house key in here. And then let's just put coins instead. I have here my coins. It's not much. So I have quarters and pennies and dime. So we'll put it all in here together with my keys inside. I think that's it. We will try to put, I have 4 bills. So let's say we're gonna put 3 and fold it and put it in here. I think 4 can fit. I have, how many bills? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 bills, and let's try to put it in here, folded, and it fit. So I have 5 cards, and then 4 cards here, and $5 US dollar bills, and also inside I have coins and a house key. So you can really fit a lot if you will maximize the space. So let's try to put this bills in here instead of the coins. Okay. So now I remove the coins from here, and let's try to put the coins here inside and put these bills here, 5 bills here instead. And I think it's better. So I think it's better if you'll put the coins here and then the bills in here in the zipper area, because the wallet looks way better than if you put the coins here. It looks way bulky, but this one is just right. This one is for the coins. Let's try to remove it all and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what fits, guys. 5 US dollar, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cards and coins and a key. So this really fits a lot. Like all of this fits inside this compact wallet, and I love the versatility that it has. I also like that this is smooth. Like my worry to this kind of wallet is it is hard to put in and out, but this one is just smooth. Like, look at this. If you'll put like cards, I put 1 card in each slot and you'll remove 1. It's so easy, and that really makes me happy that I can do that easily. And put it in and it just easily removed and put it back in like so. So what do you think of this, guys? This is very popular right now, and I understand the hype on this wallet as it is so versatile, so functional, it looks pretty, and you also have an additional holder here. If you won't use it, you can use it in your finger to secure it and then hold your wallet like this, like a clutch. And this is such a very nice piece to own, especially if you are a Louis Vuitton collector. And supposing you have an azure bag, this is also look good together, even if this is in monogram. But with monogram purses, I think it looks best with monogram purses. Like, it is nice that when you grab your wallet inside your bag, like if you have this on and you grab your wallet, it is nice that you have a matchy piece, monogram piece with your wallet and your bag. So that's it, guys. May all of you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and please do like this video if you find it useful, and I will appreciate if you will subscribe. So I'll see you all again next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.